Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can navigate Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, once you create an account, you will be met with this here main screen, which is where you'll navigate Trello for the most part. Now, here in the top left, let's start with these buttons. If you click on workspaces, you will see all your workspaces that you've created, which are made up of several boards. And as you can see, I only have one, so there is nothing else to navigate. But if you had more, this is where you would change them. Under recent, you will see your recent boards, which you've created or went through, changed, or interacted with in any way. Under start, you'll see the starred boards which you've created, which are basically like favorites, which you can easily access at any time. And under templates, you will see templates for boards, which you can very easily use to create new ones. Then you can click create to either create a board manually like this, or create with a template, which you can choose to your liking. Under boards, you'll see all your boards over here. Under templates, you will see a list of all your templates as well as other subcategories of templates, which you can browse through if you want to use them, depending on your needs. And you also have home, which will take you here, which will pretty much tell you what is up next or the highlights of what you've done, etc., etc. Now, here under workspaces, you'll see getting started, where you can go to see next steps of a guide, which will tell you how to create premium or use premium. You can go to boards and view all of your boards which you are either in or have made. You can go to collections, just this. You can also go to, excuse me. You can also go to highlights or views. And if you go to views, you'll see all the views that you have, such as this. As you can see, these are all the actions, all the cards. As you can see here, it's all the cards you have. This is a table view. If you go to calendar, you can see a calendar of all your boards. Set it up by a week view or a month view, depending on what you need. And that is basically it. Now, once you're in a board, you're going to navigate it slightly differently. As you can see here in the top right, under these three buttons, you have the board menu. Right above it, you have your account button, where you have this account menu where you can control your account. Here are your notifications, and here is information. Here is your secondary account button, where you can edit profile info and members board activity. These are, I think, all the members that are in this board currently. You have the filters, which you can use to filter out things in your board. You have automation, where you can automate your board, and power-ups, which are basically plugins which you can use to make your life easier. Here you have your workspace visibility options, the workspace name, whether you want to start or not. You have your views, which you can set up like this. Just checking them off will make them appear here if you have premium. And if you want to modify cards, just click right next to their name, like so. This is the list. That's how you change the list name. But if you want to modify cards, click on their name or on themselves, like so. And here you have your tools to modify your cards and actions to do with your cards. You can change the position of lists by dragging them like this, and also move cards in between lists like so, or within a list if you want to. And that's basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.